This is an actual in-court recording in the Bay County Courthouse, Panama City, Florida. And this happened on June 15, 2015. This is an actual recording of where Becky Atkins, who happens to be one of the court reporters, allowed me to review the video that happened where I was robbed of a jury trial. And you can also hear where when she discovered that I was secretly recording, which is the best way to catch anybody, especially public servants, in their corruption, she didn't like it. And she said, well, what if we have to do it for everybody else? I said, why not? And then I mentioned Florida Statutes 119 of the Florida Statutes, which I'm sure she's probably aware of. It's called public records. And then I mentioned 876 of the Florida Statutes, of where they take their public servant oath. A lot of people don't know that, and then they would be bluffed into turning off the tape recorder. But I knew my rights. So anyway, here it goes.
No, we're not playing that.
That's a protection.
I'm kind of hard of hearing. Can you make it louder, please?
That's probably not. No, don't do that. You did it last time. Stop. Nope.
I'm going to call you
Examine the process.
Okay.
Can you give me the beginning, please, if you don't mind, Mickey?
The beginning of...
Oh, yeah, because I was there. You know, in other words...
Mr. Fowler.
That's... There you go. No, these all two,
How are
right?
you?
I am going to be, because the prosecutor is an agent
better if you sit here.
accused. Oh, thank you very much. Thank you. You want me to cross-examine the prosecutor? Yes, I'm going to be wanting to excuse me. I'm going to be wanting to cross-examine the prosecutor.
Okay.
Brittany Forrester.
Yeah. I don't think you get to cross-examine the prosecutor.
No disrespect, sir. What I'm doing is I'm fighting for your rights. These boo cars
I know.
are not going to be anywhere in our society. And I would rather take a chance on going to jail to free up millions of people.
Well, I don't want you to do that.
Well, I've been there.
I know.
I've been almost a year.
But here's the thing. I'm gonna call you. I'm gonna call you Bike Man.
Yeah, I
and we're
appreciate
talking.
that, my friend.
We're talking.
Yeah,
Call you Bike Man.
I appreciate that.
On the record, you understand
I'm a lifelong orphan, so no disrespect, okay? Thanksgiving, I'm reminded I don't have no parents. Christmas, I'm reminded. Father's Day,
I know.
and so I'm lost in life. But I look at it this way. I would rather go down knowing that I'm trying to protect millions of people. And I'm going to expose that, and I want them to bring in the recordings, the complete recordings of the dispatchers, the complete recordings. That means no cutting it off or anything like that. And if there is, then you get them under a felony to alter, conceal, or destroy. I believe it's under 901 of the Florida statutes. It's at 914. You can also get them under 838 of Florida statutes. You can also get them under 895 of the Florida statutes.
Well, here's the thing. They are dropping your case.
No, I refuse. I refuse. I refuse.
You
No
can't.
disrespect, I refuse.
I understand.
I refuse.
Bike Man, listen to me. You can't make them take you to trial. You can't do it.
I refuse.
You can't.
Could you put it on the record? I refuse, please, if you don't mind.
It's
my
on the
friend.
record.
And I'm going to tell you something. No disrespect to you.
I know, but you
I'm going to
can't
tell you
make them
something.
take you to
I'm going to
trial.
tell you something, okay?
Bike Man.
I got more respect for you. You know what? I can take him way out to 3 o'clock in the morning, I can get a nice sunny day. You're in here. Let me tell you something. I got so much respect for you all, you just would not believe it.
I appreciate that, but
I
can't make them take you to
I
trial.
refuse. Are they chickens?
Yeah,
They're chickens?
They're scared.
Striker?
They're scared.
Let me just say it, please. Let me just say what I had. Let me just say it. Please. Chickens?
So close.
I want to thank you, K.R. Man, my man. I want to thank you. cameras in here? Here's what we're going to do.
We got cameras.
Any cameras? I'll check in here. Please. God bless you. That's all I got to say. God bless you. That chicken, let me tell you something. That chicken, here's how we get rid of every boom car in the United States. Immediately, overnight, $100 reward. Who wouldn't go after that bounty?
Oh, I would.
On your next ticket and your next fine.
Uh-huh.
You tell that striker, that low-life chicken, you tell him. I wish cameras would take a picture of this.
They are. We're getting all. We're getting it all.
Okay.
It's going to all be in the record.
That chicken, he don't even know who he's messing with, man. I want to thank you for allowing my freedom of speech, Shane Arvan. God bless you. That's all I got to say. God bless you.
All right. Yeah, I think. Let me make sure. Yeah, I think you're good.
Please, please.
Oh, okay.
Hey, Mickey,
Let me just
can I ask you a question? Is there any way we can lower that?
Hey, he ain't even.
Just wait.
Can we lower that?
Please.
You know, that picture there?
Let me just say something real quick, please.
I'm sorry, I apologize. So what you're saying is if I...
Slide this way.
No, I apologize.
There you go.
I apologize.
Don't even know the beginning. That punk don't even know the beginning. I was going to cross-examine him, man.
Okay.
I was robbed of a jury trial.
No, you weren't robbed.
Yes, I was. He don't even begin to know what I got in here.
Can that be enlarged or not?
Striker?
That low-life piece of trash, I want him arrested. I want him arrested on false charges. Okay, here's the felonies that he did.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah, could you give me written instructions on how to get a CD?
Absolutely.
Thank you. Or it's called a DVD, right? DVD.
CD. We did one on CD. Well, this is long.
Okay? Copper red.
How long you been? What's this called, Mickey?
Copper, I don't know, they 76.
What's this called?
70.
What is this called? I mean, your office.
Oh, court reporters.
Court reporters. Okay. You're the ones that get carpal tunnel syndrome probably first, right?
Zimmerman wasn't a stand your ground case, but
Oh, yes it is?
no, it wasn't.
When I was trying to live in my home in...
Zimmerman wasn't a stand your ground case.
Okay, now see this right here? Felony home invasion, that's 1802 of the fourth statute, okay? State's attorney, arrest duty, 6005 of the fourth statute. Line 3 arresting, okay? Now we got Crime Stoppers, no name, I don't have to get no name. Then we got misprision of treason, it is a felony if I do not turn in.
Stop.
These American enemies.
Stop.
It is a felony.
Come out.
Oh, thank you. God bless you for giving me the freedom of speech.
You're getting ramped up there.
Thank you. And this is nothing compared to what I got. This is nothing compared to what I got.
You gotta stay calm.
Okay, now look at this right here. I'm asking you. No, as a matter of fact, I'm getting down on...
No, don't do that. You did that last time.
Yeah.
Stop.
Listen, I'm begging you to protect our citizens and get this to where this is all over Bay County, Florida. We can get rid of them all over the United States. $100. Who the heck wouldn't have their eyes peeled? $100 off your next ticket,
I would.
your next fine.
Absolutely.
So the reason why I'm doing it is not to, I love my country, and this is the reason why I'm fighting. I'm fighting for my Americans.
Jim,
My friend, thank you.
all it's on the record. They dropped the case though. So we're not going to have it because they don't want to go to trial.
Why is it chicken? He's a chicken.
They dropped the case.
He's a chicken.
Okay.
Is Brittany Forrester a chicken? I'm just going to cross-examine her and put her in prison.
I don't think she is.
I can put her in prison? Or what? Forrester. Okay, let me cross-examine you right now. Did you take a Florida bar oath?
She did.
Okay, let me ask you something.
Jim. She's not a witness. There's no trial. She's not a witness. And even if there was a trial, she wouldn't be a witness.
Why would they drop the charges? I've been through
They dropped her. Let me tell you why.
pure hell.
Let me tell you why they dropped the charge. They dropped the charge because harassing phone call. The charge they charged you with has certain elements that they can't
I know,
prove.
and those elements are, number one, I would have to use a sexual type of a thing, calling up and saying, what color panties are you wearing, or something like that, right? It would have to be something where it's not even beginning to be legitimate, or something like that.
It would have to have no legitimate purpose.
365 of the Florida statute.
No legitimate purpose.
1D.
That's correct. And the other one is not identifying yourself, but I think you did.
Okay, first of all, I don't have to identify myself. I don't have to. Because number one, I'm scared. Let me explain something to you, okay? There's a guy named Danny Cashmere Pipers who pulled a knife out on me. The Panama City cops let him go. I went to jail. I'm scared of the cops. 2 times I've been thrown in jail. I got thrown in jail. Yes, 2003 I was thrown in jail because I called about the bone car punks. Yes, I was thrown in jail by the Bay County Sheriff's Department in 2011. Scott Irvin, I believe, was the cop who threw me in jail. I'm scared. No.
Alright.
I don't understand this. I don't understand this. I've been robbed of a jury trial.
No, you haven't. You can't
Let's
be
go.
robbed.
Let's get it on. Let's get it on, man.
You can't be robbed of something you don't have.
I want to know, Brittany Forrester, why did you drop the charges? Then why didn't you let me know? Why did you let me know a long time ago instead of me being put through pure hell?
Because I just evaluated everything.
No, but you could have done a lot sooner, couldn't you?
She's got.
You could have, right? Right? My question on that?
Jim.
Huh?
Focus on me. Look at me.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter why, she dropped it. Okay? Take a deep breath. Relax.
I'm doing this.
I know you are.
Do you ever hear them boom cars coming through your house? Are you lucky to live in a gated community?
No, I don't live in a gated
So
community.
then you hear them boom cars too?
Yeah, my neighbor's kid's got one.
Okay, and what you do is you arrest them. You arrest them under 403 of the Florida statutes.
I don't know that he needs to go to jail because he...
No, but you see, what we do is we trivialize. That's a protection of them. These punks that got these boom bases, they got home theaters and stuff like that. Low frequency sound is very dangerous for your body. That's the same thing that they use for exploring the oil. This is the same thing they use for exploring rock strata. This is the same thing that is used to make the whales go crazy and jump.